Ito ang prutas na maraming benefits, guys. Dragon fruit.
1981, commending Muhammad Murji Qasim for his outstanding achievement during the first International Nuclear Science Olympiad in Clark, Pampanga, held from August 1 to 6, 2024. By Representative Paglas.
The Committee on Higher and Technical Education.
House Resolution 1982, expressing profound sympathies and sincerest condolences of the House in the passing of Caridad de Shiva Tulfo, mother of ACT-CIS Representative Irvin Tulfo, by Representatives Yap Eric and Yap Edwin.
To the Committee on Rules.
Messages from the Senate. Message dated August 22, 2024, informing the House that on even day, the Senate approved the Conference Committee reports and
Di
submit
ba?
votes on House Bill number 6580
Oh, yummy!
2024, informing the House of Representatives that on even date, the Senate passed the following House bills without amendment.